I can't tell you how great it is to be back on Canadian soil after 141 days on that ship. The loss of our shipmates in the crash of Stalker had a profound impact on all of us. To the families, friends, and loved ones of Captain Brendan MacDonald, Captain Kevin Hagan, Captain Maxime Miron-Morin, Master Corporal Matthew Cousins, Sub-Lieutenant Matthew Pike, and Sub-Lieutenant Abigail Cobra, on behalf of the entire ship's company, I express my deepest condolences and sympathies for your loss. The loss of this outstanding group of sailors and aviators was felt by every single one of us on board every day, and has left a space in our hearts that will remain there for all of our days. Fredericton was deployed as part of the Rapid Reaction Force that stood at the ready to execute Canadian Armed Forces and NATO missions in the European Theatre of Operations to demonstrate our commitment to our allies. Our role in Operation Reassurance was vital, and our ship's company displayed tremendous resilience, a positive attitude, and commitment to that mission.